we all get lost. Pero napakaganda po. Beautiful message today. That the Lord will always forgive us. Please bow your heads now. Whenever we come before the Lord who has a heart, the key is humility. Kung marunong po tayong magpakumbaba, nararamdaman natin ang pag-ibig ng Diyos. Pero kung tayo mayabang, wala lang, it's all about me, what will I do, it's all my agenda. Sayang yung heart-to-heart moment. Right now is a heart-to-heart moment. You joining us online, whatever you're going through, if you have a broken heart, remember this. A broken heart is an open